Okay, so I just read about Microsoft BASIC for the 6502 microprocessor, and it's like a time capsule of the personal computer revolution.
Right? It's wild to think that this simple code was the foundation for many early personal computers. Blink and you'd miss it.
Seriously, I mean it made programming accessible to so many people. What if BASIC hadn't existed? Would we even be here?
That's an intriguing point. Without it, programming might still feel like a wizard's craft, only for the tech-savvy folks.
And remember how it set Microsoft on its path to dominance? They licensed it to multiple manufacturers.
Exactly. That licensing strategy was revolutionary. It's fascinating how they built a business model around software licensing.
Right, and that just changed the game for the entire software industry. Software as its own entity, who knew?
But we should consider the risks, too. Was their early dominance a double-edged sword for innovation?
Great point. With a single dominant player, did we lose some diversity in software development?
Definitely. But you can't ignore the impact of multi-platform compatibility in BASIC. It set a standard.
For real, the conditional compilation aspect allowed that single codebase to run on different systems.
It's like they laid the groundwork for modern software development techniques. So revolutionary.
Totally, and think about how it democratized programming. Millions got introduced to coding through BASIC.
And many of those learners became industry leaders. It's amazing how one interpreter could inspire so many.
Right, it's like a chain reaction. BASIC made computers approachable. Can you imagine if it hadn't?
Well, I think the evidence suggests that the landscape would be very different today. We'd likely be less tech-savvy.
It's also interesting how it influenced later programming languages and educational tools, isn't it?
Absolutely. The conventions from BASIC are still echoed in many modern languages. Talk about lasting legacy.
But why don't we hear more about it in tech conversations today? It's almost overlooked sometimes.
Good question. It might be overshadowed by newer technologies or the complex languages we use now.
Or maybe it's that nostalgia factor. People forget how pivotal it really was in shaping the industry.
Exactly. That emotional connection is powerful. BASIC was many people's first taste of programming.
It's like a secret handshake for tech enthusiasts. It has cultural weight beyond just the code.
For sure. And the fact that it was supported on systems like the Apple II and Commodore PET is amazing.
Oh right, those were game changers in their own right. BASIC essentially made them user-friendly.
Yes, those systems gave people power, but the technical aspects were smart, too, like the memory management features.
Oh totally, the dynamic memory management and garbage collection were impressive for their time.
And let's not forget about input-output operations. They created real-time interaction that felt magical.
You know what? Thinking about all this makes me wonder how we'd handle modern programming challenges without it.
That's a good point. Would we still rely on complex languages, or would simple ones like BASIC prevail?
It's like a paradox, simplicity versus complexity, but maybe they both have their place.
Right, each has strengths. Might be more about how we merge them to meet current needs.
So this source code isn't just a historical artifact, it's a vital lesson for future generations.
Exactly. It reminds us that innovation often comes from simplifying access rather than complicating it.
And I wonder if there might be another BASIC-type revolution waiting to happen in education.
That's a fascinating thought. What if there's a new wave of simplicity in coding for the next generation?
Let's keep our eyes peeled for that. It feels like we have a bit of history repeating itself.
For sure. And the implications of it could shape tech in ways we can't imagine just yet.
All in all, BASIC for the 6502 was revolutionary and remains significant in various capacities.
Absolutely. It influenced not just software, but also our understanding of tech accessibility.
It makes you think, how many other hidden gems in tech history have yet to be recognized?
The exploration is so crucial. Each discovery can help us rethink our approach to today's challenges.
At the end of the day, it's this blend of tech history and innovation that keeps the conversation alive.
Definitely. And it also encourages us to question, what's next in the evolution of programming?